Hello! In this video, we will learn the difference between a word's denotation and its connotation. A word's denotation is its literal meaning. This is the meaning you would find if you looked up the word in a dictionary. A dictionary says that temperature means a measurement that tells how hot or cold something is. A measurement that tells how hot or cold something is the denotation of temperature. Blazing is a word that is related to temperature. But what comes to mind when we hear the word blazing? We think of being too hot or an intense, dangerous fire. Blazing can give us a negative feeling when we hear the word. The connotation of a word is the meaning we associate with it. A connotation can be positive, negative, or neutral. The word wind has a neutral connotation. It isn't positive or negative. Wind is a part of the weather that occurs all the time. Imagine sitting outside on a summer day. A gentle breeze keeps you from getting too hot. Breeze is close to the word wind, but breeze has a positive connotation. A breeze is often welcome when we're outside. Now imagine a very strong, sometimes damaging wind called a gale. Gale is similar in meaning to the word wind, but it has a negative connotation. Now you know the difference between a denotation and a connotation. You can choose a word for your writing based on how you want others to feel about a topic.